Today, I'm in my store to sell paper airplanes. Customers, come to my paper airplane store.
What favorite airplanes do you have?
Well, I got F-14. We got F-15. And boy, do we have a best one for you. F-35.
How is it doing?
Well, it says hi, bye. Where like the airplane goes up, it says hi, and then when they look up, it says bye. You wanna buy it?
Yeah.
Here, but you first give me money. There you go. Next person, please. How can I help you, kind lady?
I like F-15.
15?
Yeah.
F-35 is the best one for you. F-35
Yeah.
it says, well, hello. Here you go, but first give me money. There you go. Next one. Come on. Okay. What kind of paper airplane do you want?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
It's F-35. Well, it says hi, then bye. Here, but first give me money.
Here.
There you go. I'll go grab one too. Here. Guys, if you want a paper airplane, come to my store. It's right here. You know where it is. It's the general store. Come and grab a paper airplane so you can grab a free test on paper airplanes. Let's go. Let's go up. Get it? Okay. Come on. You guys ready? Yes. Come on. We're about to throw our paper airplanes. Ready, steady, go! Let's go back. Whoa. Let's go and grab them. This one's mine.
Let's do that again.
Guys, come on. Let's throw it! Whoa, it went up there! Oh, I went over. Okay, let's throw it! Ready! Steady! Go! Oh. It just did a swing and then it went high. I was not even halfway close. Let's throw it again! 1, 2, 3, throw! Whoa! Whoa! That was cool! Let's go throw it over here! Let's throw it over here! 3, 2, 1, throw! Woo! Oh, whoa! That was way even further! Let's throw him again! 3, 2, 1, throw! Woo! Throw! Whoa! Let's go through it! 3, 2, 1, throw! Yes! It just went a whip, and then it bounced.
Now what's on me?
3, 2, 1, wiggle! Did you see that? It was like ding, 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 ding. Okay. 3, 2, 1, throw! Whoa! Let's do this.
My crash is like
It just crashed. Yeah. Ready? Steady. Go! Mine flew all the way to here.
Mine flew all the way good.
Okay guys, it's the end of the video. Please like and subscribe.